Hey guys, here's a quick tutorial on the Zing Phantom box. So when it arrives, it has the two wing nuts on the top like this. Just unscrew these. And now the top plate can come off. Now place the Phantom inside with the skis locked into place here, and then reattach the plate, and finally reinsert the bolts into the wing nuts. And then finally, when you fly, just bend the door in and place it inside to lock it in place. And inside of your DJI Go app, check the instruction manual sent with the Zing box. You'll need to disable your optical sensors, or you can just put the drone into sport mode, and that will automatically disable all of the optical sensors. So thanks, this was Zing with the Zing delivery box. I hope you have a great day and happy flying.